This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about spatulas, specifically these Met Lux Rubber Spatulas. And there's two styles available. The flat, which you can see has that traditional flat blade to it, so perfect for scraping and stirring. And then also the spoon, which you can see has that nice concave area to it that's going to be great for scooping items as well as scraping the sides of bowls. And they're both available in 3 different sizes. And we have each of those styles in the 10-inch length. And then I've got the flat in the 14 and the 16-inch as well. And the spoon shape is also available in the 14 and 16-inch size as well, meaning that between those 2 different styles and the lengths available, you really have a great selection to tackle any job and jobs of various different sizes, meaning that you can always have that perfect spatula on hand for whatever you're doing. They feature wonderful, flexible blades that aren't going to damage your bowls and equipment. And they all have a nice flat base to them so that when you're setting them down, really only the handle and that very little bit of the end is touching, and the blades are going to be up off of the surface, meaning that you're going to get a lot less stuff on your counters and have to do a lot less cleaning, which is a nice little feature. They all also have a great little hole at the end, meaning that these can be stuck up in a bain-marie if that's what you use. Or if you're using hooks in your kitchen, you can easily hang these up on those hooks, meaning that these are going to work with a variety of different organizational methods as well. So these are perfect for mixing and scraping ingredients, and the spoon-shaped ones are going to be great for things especially like frosting or anything that needs to be scooped or transferred to different containers, especially for storage. They're all dishwasher safe and really built to last and stand up to heavy-duty use. So they're perfect for restaurants, cafes, bakeries, and caterers, and for a variety of different food establishments, or just to use for the culinary enthusiast at home.